Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an update on my Gen 7. Really it's my son's Gen 7 Pro. It's really the first crawler that I purchased. I sort of purchased it for him and I started playing with it as much if not more, which led to me buying my Gen 8. So it's been going under the knife here lately for a while actually, and it's had a lot of changes. So I'm going to show you some updates, one of which the most recent is these. I am making it a Class 3 truck to run in Class 3 competition. I have a Class 1, I have a Class 2, and I want a Class 3. On top of wasn't happy with the performance of the truck of where it was. So I'm going to take you over to the bench and show you where the truck is right now, and then we're going to take it out back and test out these new tires and wheels. Stick around, guys. Alright guys, so here's the current state of the Gen 7 Pro. As you can see, it doesn't have the original body, which was green. I still have that. This is the J Concepts Creep body that I have purchased and have been working on fitting. It's actually pretty much ready for paint, which I have to purchase. Showed you a while ago the wheels and tires, beadlock rims, nice aluminum rims. The tires, these are actually the tires off of the new RedCat Wendigo 2.2 Super Swampers. I liked them. I actually liked the 1.9s that came on the Gen 7 and even the Gen 8. And so saw these, decided to pick them up, put them on these wheels. Prior to that, it got the portal upgrade done on it because I really just wasn't happy with the clearance of the straight axles with it, so I did the portal upgrade on it, and that sort of led me to even where I'm at now. It has 20 kg servo up front, which will likely get swapped out eventually for probably 35 kg servo. That seems to be what I like. Has a Hobbywing 1080 ESC. It is running the Holmes Hobby 27 turn Trailmaster Sport, great motor. Has the metal gears inside, has metal drive shaft upgrades. It has the Hot Racing internal spring shocks, same ones that I have on my Gen 8. I haven't yet done the Hot Racing aluminum mounts, which I do plan to do. Again, trying to make this Class 3 truck. I took the little cage that was here off, moved my electronics to the front. Not sure if this will be their final resting place or not. We will see how she performs. This is the factory battery tray, but I did make modifications to it for it to clear the creep body. And so far that's it. I have not got my bumpers figured out yet. I will figure that out once my body is painted and on there. And speaking of the body, reason there's tape here is I actually opened it up here in the middle to allow it to sit down on this just a little bit and bring the body down just a little bit more. What I'm intending to do using the stock mounts, this one for sure will have to be raised up a little bit, I'm pretty sure. I reversed the rear one and I'm going to use magnets. After I've painted it, I'll put magnets on the inside, and I plan to do magnet to the body. I do plan to eventually do probably a DSM off-road integrated recovery kit on it instead of an actual servo winch. And I might have a buddy of mine 3D print me some bumpers for it. But finally, wheels and tires allowed me to do my final clearancing of the body to make sure everything would clear. And I need to pick up paint this weekend, paint the body, and then I can mount it. But we were going to take it out as is with no body and see how it performs with the new tires. So stick around as we go out and play on the backyard course, guys. And guys, here we go. The RedCat Gen 7 Pro in a Class 3 setup. All right, guys, so there you have it. The Gen 7 Pro upgraded almost to Class 3 specs. I still have some work to do, obviously. The body's not finished. Hopefully I can do that this weekend. I need bumpers. There towards the end, the steering started acting funny. And I was looking at it when I come back. A few things loosened up, so I need to go through, tighten everything up. Might have to swap out the links for the steering. I think they could be a weak point, especially with those big tires. Outside of that, I mean, overall pretty good. It drives over the stuff out there very well. So I'm very, very pleased with overall with where it's at. And let me know what you think down below. I'm welcome to hear your comments. I expect that I will likely put a different motor in it, and more than likely I would go with a Trailmaster Sport in there. I have that in my Gen 8, love it. So I think that one will end up getting that as well. Nothing wrong with the Trailmaster 27, but that Trailmaster Sport is a wonderful motor. I'm really, really impressed with it. Might need to move some weight around still on that thing. It tumped over really easy, the back end over the front really easy. Maybe just adding some brass to the rear. I don't know. I might try to put the battery in the back, see if I can offset, play around with some things, and I'll update you guys once I've done that. So thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.